Celebrating over 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.
Welcome to Science Club with BASF. I'm Lily. I'm here with Emily Wyrick from BASF. Today, we're going to put all that slime you've been making to good use. We're going to make sun catchers.
We made a variety of colors of homemade slime using the liquid starch, glue, and neon food coloring recipe.
You can find this recipe on abc11.com/scienceclub.
We break off chunks of each slime color and place it on the plastic lids, using enough chunks that the lids look full. Gaps are okay. The slime will naturally flow and fill in all the gaps as it settles. Now wait at least 24 hours for the slime to dry.
We made this one yesterday. Now we can gently peel it off and stick it to a window.
If your slime drips, remove it from the window and let it dry wet side up for about an hour and try again.
You do want the sun catcher slightly moist so it can stick.
Most types of slime are examples of polymers. A polymer is composed of very large chains of molecules that are made up of repeating units known as monomers.
Go to abc11.com/scienceclub to learn more and visit us on Facebook to share your results. Thanks for watching Science Club with BASF.